Good afternoon, everyone. I present to your attention the work of the Create Worksets plugin. Often in the work of a BIM specialist, routine task is the creation of working sets with creating a file. So you created a new file, you made a storage file, and now you need to add some work sets to this file. You can do this one at a time. Let's take a look at how this is done manually. So we have created a file and then we make it of storage. I'll save it to the work desktop. And now you can create one at a time working set. It's very long, especially if you have a lot of files on different partitions. That's why the plugin Creating Working Sets was created. This plugin works by preparing an Excel file in which you pre-populate with the names of the work sets. It's very simple. I've prepared the file in Excel format. Let's open it up. Here I've made a page called Architecture, and the first column is just listing those working sets that we need to add to the project. This will be 6 working sets. Saving this one Excel, next in my storage file, I'll run the Create Worksets plugin. Select my Excel or format CSV. I select a sheet. In this case, I have one. Next, click Create Worksets. After that, watch if we had those sets created that we did in Excel. So with this plugin, you will be able to batch create working sets in your files. That's it for now. Thank you everybody. Subscribe to the channel, give us a like. In the description of the video, you can find the download link with the free 2 weeks trial version. Bye everybody.